My dear friends, 2024 has been one of the most successful years for my channel. I reached 2,000 subscribers in June, then 3,000 subscribers in December. I posted 35 tours and a total of 40 videos and 62 shorts. Some of my highlights included Australian Outback at the world-famous San Diego Zoo, Lion Camp at the San Diego Zoo Safari Park, Wild Arctic at SeaWorld San Diego, Walkabout Australia at the San Diego Zoo Safari Park, Kingdoms of the Night at the Henry Dorley Zoo, the award-winning Congo Gorilla Forest at the Bronx Zoo, Tropical Rainforest at the Montreal Biodome, and Predators of Asia and Africa at the Fort Worth Zoo. Next year will be even bigger and better than ever. We'll head to new zoos and aquariums like the Dallas World Aquarium, the Newport Aquarium, and the Houston Zoo. My first Uncaged Zoo Tours for January will be the Saving Giants tour at the San Diego Zoo Safari Park, which will be our first fully behind-the-scenes tour. Next will be Primate World at Zoo Tampa, where we'll see some baby orangutans. But the tour after that will mark the 100th Uncaged Zoo Tour, the Small Mammal House at the Smithsonian National Zoo. So what videos, posts, and shorts are you excited to see this year? Thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you next time. You're smart, creative, and kind.